Well, I think if you look at the futures, I mean, the futures must be rallying on the back of the fact that the president has acknowledged that there is a problem. He's not out playing golf. The complacency has disappeared. There is a problem. So they're not rallying on the detail because there is no detail. And the very little evidence that we've got so far is frankly a little bit concerning for me. Payroll tax cut, well, fine, but that's not going to help deal with the economic downswing. That's more about the bounce back stage, not what happens over the next 3-4 months. What we really need to be seeing is more sophisticated, more targeted measures dealing with, for example, small business corporate cash flow. That's a big problem. Tax holidays or tax delays to corporates having to pay tax. That's what's needed, because that's where the real challenge comes when you get a sort of combined supply and demand shock coming together.
Is it important, though, that there is a shock and awe type response? Because communities respond to the psychological impact of a big message. So I absolutely agree with you. Yes, keep those credit lines intact, squeeze the banks, force them to keep funding these smaller businesses. But at some level, you have to send a big message to the community, don't you?
I think a big message helps, yes. I mean, we're dealing with fear. I mean, the virus, economically speaking, doesn't matter. It's fear of the virus that matters. That's what we're trying to balance. But I think the challenge that we have here is, from the US in particular, we had that rather inept rate cut, and there was nothing else. Yeah. That wasn't the sort of economic leadership that we, I think, would have got from the Yellen Fed or from the Bernanke Fed, and that is a bit disappointing. Now we're hearing payroll tax cut. Well, this isn't 1950. The US labour market has changed. You've now got a lot more self-employment. Payroll tax cut doesn't help if you're self-employed. Contract workers, gig workers, doesn't help. So I'm not saying don't do the payroll tax cut, but we need to see the detailed measures alongside the grandiose gestures.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.